Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and just last night I made a video about how to get my squiggles that I've acquired over the years. And then somebody posted on the video, when he imports it, how does he break it apart? Well, I would never import a Corel file unless you were needing just parts of it. So I'm just going to type in squiggles, and here's the newest one right here. But if I import it, it's going to be like small, and every page is going to be small. If we open it, you're going to get a better copy. So we'll go to open, and we'll open that same file, and you'll see the difference. Now, well, because one, I saved this back in the day, looks like a 25 or 11 by 8.5 file. But his question was, how do you get just one of them? Well, these are all, well, normally they're grouped together like that. I must have de-grouped these. But all you have to do is just select the one you want and ungroup it. If you just want part, if you want all that, then I would go to object and group. But if you just want part of it, you can go ungroup. But then how are you going to get just that center piece on something like that? So what we're going to do, we're going to think about this. This is 0.149 big. We're going to make it 0.15. And we're going to just get that piece. So I'm going to left click, right click. Let's say we just want that center graphic. Well, what we're going to do, we're going to use a smart fill tool, and we're going to fill that in. We're going to, let me change it. Let me change it to a prettier color for the video. And I'm just going to nudge this down. So this way I'll have all those pieces that I need if that's just what you wanted. And then you could take that arrangement, make it black, and do anything you want to with it. In any of these, you could do, any of these. Let's just say you just want this one right here. Just left click, right click. You don't even have to mess up your, the graphic for later. We'll just pick that one right there, and let's just say I just want to use that for something. And then of course you could use that. And this is and the more I look at these squiggles, they're really rough. Unless you look at them in all the time, that's pretty rough. So like we did last night, just take the smoothing tool and click on it and just real quickly just smooth it up. And then like this part right here that's down there, I would delete that. So what you're going to have to do is click on it, go to object, break curve apart, and then you can click on that little line and get rid of it. And then if you were going to use this squiggle, Control D to make a duplicate, while holding down the control button, just mirror it, and there's you a completely different squiggle. You can have it further apart, or if we change our nudge factor to something pretty low, you could actually take these and do this and select them both and weld them, and now you got a total different squiggle. And then you could take it further and Control D and hold down the control button, and now you got a completely different one. Just whatever you want to do with it, and just like the other one, we can make it, if we set that and just nudge that up just a little bit, and then we weld that, now you got to complete another one of whatever you want to use it for. And then that way you have not used up your other one. You've still got it as a backup because you've used it for, I'm trying to, I filled in everything. So that way you still have this one if you want it for the future. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.